I just want to advise to Lawrence Villawan and Paula Colin Nunez. Don't join the Hans Inclusion Philippines. It's about Jordan Bunagan, Roylan Marlang. Oh, don't join those two idiots anyway. Patrick Quezon was right. Do not join Enhanced Inclusion Philippines. Because me, I just did it to David Gill, even his family members. Or I joined with Hans Inclusion Philippines with Terra Francisco. I advise to Terra Francisco, do not join Hans Inclusion Philippines. And I asked Terra Francisco, if you unfriend Roylan Marlang or Jordan Bunagan, they're allies of Paulo Cruzada, or allies of Marion Cruzada, Kulas Cruzada, even I move on with Teacher May Tiburcio. Don't join the Hans Inclusion Philippines, because Hans Inclusion Philippines is a stupid organization. And you know that Roylan Marlang is the guy who scam me also, just like what happened to Ate Ellen. Just remember, guys, do not join the Hans Inclusion Philippines. Avoid joining in troublemaker. At least John Timothy Turbino never joined Hans Inclusion Philippines. We have to join any kind of society together with Jared Dino. Jared Dino is learning how to make societies. Instead of Jordan Bunagan. Just remember, Jordan Bunagan is really a stupid guy. He's really an asshole. I'm sorry for my bad words, because he's my new arch enemy. Because that guy is threatening to kill David Gill and his family. I thought David Gill implicate me. I'm the one who did this to David Gill. You're the one who did it to David Gill, Jordan Bunagan. That is your fault, Jordan. You know, Jordan, you are autism. You should stop what you're saying, that Jordan Bunagan. You know, here's my accusations against both of you, Jordan Bunagan and Paulo Cruzada, and Roylan Marlang, and the Hans Inclusion Philippines. Don't stop being all of you are foolish. Wag ganon. You know, everyone were victim of cyberbullying. Especially you, Roylan. You know, being as a good person, I want to lecture to all of you. Roylan Marlang, Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Bunagan, and Paulo Cruzada, and Marion Cruzada, and Kulas Cruzada, and even to Kuya Copio as well. I want to lecture all of you, just like what I said. You know that, Jordan Bunagan. And you know, Jordan Bunagan, ang kapal ang mukha mo, Jordan Bunagan. You are threatening to kill me. If you threaten to kill me, I will sue against you, Jordan Bunagan. I said, kakasuan kita, Jordan Bunagan, if you threaten to assassinate me every time. You should be mature yourself, Jordan Bunagan. Look at Wawel, Wawel Romero, look at Bam Hernando, they are matured. Me, I never want to be friends with you, Jordan Bunagan. If I want to say you are an abnormal. You are abnormal, Jordan Bunagan. Because you're not my friend. I choose my new friends is Lawrence Villawan, Paula Nunez, Jens Manaid, Kathleen Canete, Bill Galang, especially Patrick Quezon and Jared Dino. Oh, they are my new friends. Even Buddy Castro as well. Oh, I'm swearing to you, Jordan Bunagan.